Reality is about to fracture. For the last few years, we've been living in the first-gen era of spatial computing, but as we step into 2026, the rules are being completely rewritten. Behind the reinforced glass of Meta's Reality Labs, a project is reaching its final phase. A device so disruptive that it has caused Apple to go back to the drawing board. It's called Meta Quest 4. But this isn't just an upgrade to your Quest 3. This is the moment VR stops being a headset and starts being a lifestyle. We are talking about a total design reset, the introduction of a tethered compute puck that shifts the weight off your face, and a brand new retinal clarity display that finally ends the screen door effect once and for all. But there's a massive controversy brewing. With the recent discontinuation of Meta's business services and a hard pivot toward AI-integrated gaming, is the Quest 4 still for everyone? Or is Mark Zuckerberg building a walled garden for the elite? Stay with me for the next 30 minutes, because we are going to expose the leaked 2026 hardware roadmap, the secret puffin project that's launching first, and the exact reason why the Quest 4 is the most dangerous competitor the Apple Vision Pro has ever faced. If you own a Quest 2 or 3, you need to hear this, because the era of standalone headsets as you know them is officially ending. To understand why the Quest 4 is causing a panic in the industry, we have to look at the Loma and Pismo leaks that surfaced late last year. For a while, the rumors were messy. Some said the Quest 4 was cancelled, others said it was delayed. But the truth is much more fascinating. Meta has shifted to a dual-tier strategy for 2026. The Quest 4 we've been waiting for is no longer just one device. It's a series. First, we have the ultra-lightweight Project Puffin. Think of this as the Air version of the Quest. It's rumored to weigh under 150 grams, lighter than your smartphone. Thanks to a revolutionary move. The processor and battery are no longer in the headset. They are in a small, pocketable compute puck connected by an ultra-thin cable. This allows the headset itself to look more like a pair of sleek goggles than a bulky brick. In the US market, where comfort is the #1 complaint, this change is going to be the iPhone moment for VR. But for the power users, the Quest 4 Pro, codenamed Prismo High, is where the real madness lives. The biggest leak coming out of the 2026 supply chain is the move to 4K Micro-OLED displays. While the Quest 3 was a massive jump in clarity, the Quest 4 is targeting human eye resolution. We are talking about 40 pixels per degree. This means you can read fine text, work on massive virtual spreadsheets, and watch 8K movies with zero eye strain. But it's not just about the screens, it's about the pass-through. Meta has reportedly perfected a new dual RGB 20-megapixel camera array for the front of the Quest 4. The grain? Gone. The warping around your hands? Fixed. When you put on the Quest 4, the mixed reality isn't a digital approximation of your room. It is your room, just augmented with infinite possibilities. Under the hood, the Quest 4 is expected to debut the Snapdragon XR3 Gen 1. This chip is a beast, specifically optimized for the 2026 AI landscape. It features a dedicated neural core that handles Meta's new WorldSense AI. This isn't just about graphics, it's about the headset understanding your environment.